Hello guys, today I will share with you all the assets you need for making games, and they are all free, which will help you develop without thinking about money. Starting with 2D art and sprites section. First we have Kine assets. This is probably the most famous name in free game assets. Kine creates high quality, constant art packs that cover almost every genre. You will find platform characters, space shooters, RPG tiles, UI elements, and so much more. The art style is clean and cohesive, perfect for commercial games. Everything is Creative Commons 0, which means you can use it for anything without attribution. Kine releases new packs regularly and has been doing this for years. If you're starting your first game, go to Kine's website first. Second, we have Open Game Art. This is like the Wikipedia of game assets. It's a community-driven site where artists upload their work under various open licenses. You will find everything from simple icons to complete character sets. The quality varies since anyone can upload, but there are real gems here. Search by license type to make sure you understand the requirements. Some assets require attribution, others are completely free to use. itch.io game assets. itch.io has a massive collection of real game assets including tiny swords, modern interiors RPG tile set, Sproutlands asset pack, and pixel engine characters. The platform is popular with indie developers, so you will find unique creative assets that aren't overused. Many of these are made by solo developers who want to share with the community. The quality is often very high because creators want to showcase their skills. Next, we have CraftPicks free section. CraftPicks offer free pack assets for arcade, strategy, platformers, RPGs including graphics for 2D games development, GUI, tilesets, icons, sprites. They have both free and paid sections, but their free collection is substantial. The art style tends to be more polished and commercial looking compared to community-driven sites. Game icons. This site specializes in icons for games and apps. Need a health potion icon, a magic spell symbol? Game Icons has thousands of simple, clean icons in SVG format. They are perfect for UI elements and inventory items. All icons are Creative Commons licensed and can be easily modified to match your game's style. Now, let's move on to 3D models and assets section. Courteous assets. Courteous creates free 3D models and is mentioned alongside other quality assets creators. This artist creates low-poly 3D models that are perfect for indie games. The style is clean and consistent across all packs. You will find characters, environments, props, and vehicles. All models come rigged and ready to animate. The low-poly style performs well on mobile devices and older hardware. K. Luxembourg's K-Kit. K-Kit includes prototype pits and character packs adventures available on itch.io. These are professional quality 3D assets with a distinctive, colorful style. The packs include everything you need for specific game types: Dungeon Crawler packs, City Builder packs, Adventure game packs. The models are optimized for games and include proper UV mapping and materials. Next, we have Maximo characters and animations. Maximo is listed among quality 3D asset sources. This is Adobe's free service for character rigging and animation. Upload your own 3D character model and Maximo will rig it automatically. Then choose from thousands of mockups animation, walking, running, fighting, dancing. It's like having a professional animator for free. The service works with any 3D character model. Next, we have Polyheaven. Polyheaven is mentioned as a source of quality 3D assets. This site provides high quality 3D models, textures, everything is CC0, so completely free to use. The models are often photorealistic and perfect for architectural visualization or realistic games. They also provide different levels of detail for optimization. Then we have Render People. Render People is listed among free 3D model sources. This site specializes in 3D people models. If you need crowd character or background people, this site is your source. The models are quality and perfect for filling out game environments. Next, we have Unity Asset Store free section. Unity's Asset Store has thousands of free assets. You will find complete game templates, character controls, shader packs, and environment assets. These are specifically made for Unity and often include example scenes and documentation. Even if you don't use Unity, many of these assets can be exported in other engines. Then we have Unreal Marketplace free content. Epic Games releases free content every month on the Unreal Marketplace. These are often AAA quality assets worth hundreds of dollars. Past free content includes complete environments, character packs, and advanced shaders. Once you claim free content, it's yours forever. Audio assets, music, and sound effects. First, we have Freesound. Freesound is a collaborative database of Creative Commons licensed sound for musicians and sound lovers. This is the biggest collection of free sound effects on the internet. You will find everything from footsteps to explosions to ambient sounds. The community uploads thousands of new sounds every day. Most sounds are Creative Commons licensed, so check their requirements. Next, we have Bixby Audio. Bixby provides over 110,000 free sound effects for download that are royalty-free with no attribution required. This is the part of the Bixby platform known for free stock photos. The audio section has music tracks and sound effects that are completely free, no attribution required, perfect for commercial use. Then we have Mixkit Audio. Mixkit provides incredible free sound effects from their library, free for video editing and audio projects. This platform specializes in content for content creators, but the audio is perfect for games. They have music tracks and sound effects organized by mood and genre. Everything is free and can be used commercially. Incompetech. Kevin MacLeod has created thousands of free music tracks over decades. His music has been used in countless YouTube videos, games, and films. The tracks span every genre and mood. All you need to do is provide attribution in your game's credits. The music is professional quality and perfect for background tracks. Then we have Bensound. This site offers high quality music tracks for free with attribution. The music is cinematic and polished, perfect for game trailers and menu music. They offer different genres including electronic, rock, jazz, and ambient. The free tracks are full-length and professionally mixed. The next section is font and typography. First, we have Google Fonts. Google's font library is completely free and includes web fonts optimized for screens. You'll find hundreds of fonts suitable for your game, from pixel-perfect monospace fonts to elegant sans-serif fonts for fantasy games. All fonts can be used commercially without restriction. The website includes font pairing, suggestions, and customization tools. Font Square. This site curates high-quality free fonts that are cleared for commercial use. They have a strict screen process, so everything here is safe to use in your games. The fonts are organized by category and include both display fonts and readable text fonts. Many fonts come with multiple widths and styles. Next, we have 1001 free fonts, a massive collection of free fonts covering every style imaginable, perfect for finding decorative fonts for game titles and UI elements. The quality varies, so preview fonts carefully. Always check the license terms, as some fonts have restrictions on commercial use. The next section is textures and materials. First, we have CC0 textures. CC0 Textures is mentioned among quality texture sources. This site provides high-resolution, typeboard textures under Creative Commons 0 license. You will find materials for everything: wood, metal, fabric, stone, concrete. Each texture comes with multiple maps, diffuse, normal, roughness, and sometimes displacement, perfect for PBR workflows. Next, we have Polyheaven textures. Polyheaven provides textures alongside the 3D models. These are photorealistic textures captured from real materials. Each texture includes all the maps needed for modern rendering engines. The quality is exceptional and suitable for AAA games. Everything is CC0 licensed. Textures.com free section, formerly CG Textures. This is one of the oldest texture sites on the internet. They offer a section of free textures each day. You can download several textures per day without a subscription. The textures are high resolution and professionally photographed. Let's move on to the next section, which is user interface elements. Starting with Kine UI packs. Kine doesn't just do sprites, they also create cohesive UI packs. You will find buttons, panels, sliders, health bars, and complete interface themes. The style is consistent and works well for both mobile and desktop games. All elements come in multiple colors and sizes. Next, Game UI Database. This site showcases UI designs from real games and provides free resources inspired by them. It's great for finding inspiration and understanding current UI trends. Many contributors share the UI elements as free downloads. Then we have Flat Icon. While primarily for web design, Flat Icon has thousands of icons perfect for game UI. You can find icons for inventory items, menu buttons, and status indicators. Many icons are free without attribution, and they offer SVG format for infinite scalability. Animation and particle effects. Maximo Animations. Maximo provides animations alongside character rigging services. Beyond rigging, Maximo has a library of motion capture animations, walk cycles, run cycles, combat moves, dance animation, and more. You can adjust the style and exaggerate movements. All animations are free to use commercially. Next, we have Open Game Art Animations. The community contributes sprite animations and 3D animation files. You will find walk cycles for 2D characters, explosion sprites, UI animations, and more. Quality varies, but there are excellent contributions from professional artists. Then we have Unity Particle Packs. Unity's asset store includes free particle effects packages. These include fire, smoke, magic effects, and environmental particles. Even if you don't use Unity, you can often recreate these effects in other engines using the provided textures and settings.